everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a little different than my other videos. Today's video is going to be about some of the best and worst Indian skincare I have tried. So let's begin. So the first product here is by the Body Care, the Rose Face Pack. This is how it looks. You can see I've almost emptied it. This product is very nice. It is very soothing to the skin. It does not have anything harsh chemicals as such. It's complete rose. It smells like rose completely. It's very nice. The only problem with this product is it dries really fast, so you have to use it really fast. Otherwise, a big yes from me for this product. It is really good. So the second product is by the Blue Nectar. So this is a face wash I used. This is Radiance Honey Face Cleanser. So this one is really good. This is one of the best face washes I have tried till date. It is so good. I love it, and I would love to give this brand a shot again with other products as such, but I haven't done that yet. Beautiful product, beautiful, makes your skin so soft. It's really nice, but well, I don't know if this was a damaged bottle or it was every bottle issue. The pump below, if you cannot see it, but the pump below is slightly cut, so after a while you cannot use. You can use a product only till here, and after that you can't use, so you have to open it up and then but this product, 5 out of 5. So the next product is by Ara Skin Miracles. It's a body scrub. This is a rose body scrub. It says it's for all skin type, and the ingredients are golden oil, skin oil, white sugar. So it mentions it has white sugar, and I tried all of this, but this is a product I would not recommend anybody to use. The scrubs are really sharp. It is going to hurt you, and you really don't need something like this on your body scrubbing. You might as well buy something which is softer on your skin. Don't put your skin through something so harsh, but it does have good amount of oil in here. Your skin does feel moisturized and stuff like that, but I don't think it's right at the cost of hurting your skin and making dermabrasion underneath your skin, which is not okay at all. So this is a big 0 from me. 0 out of 5. I'm not going to buy this product, and I would not recommend anyone to use this product. Please don't. And the next product here is by Lotus Professionals. So this is the whitening and brightening serum. So it's not going to whiten your face, okay? Don't live in that world now. Come on, you guys know nothing is going to whiten your face. It's only going to brighten it. But this serum is complete garbage. It's a waste. It doesn't brighten your skin at all. If you have been using this, you can see I've used this completely. This is complete waste of money, okay? It just works as a serum. It doesn't work as anything else. Like, it doesn't brighten your face, or you don't feel good. If your skin is dull, it's going to remain dull. It's not going to help in removing any of the spots on your skin or hyperpigmentation. It's just a complete waste of money. It's just garbage. That product is a big 0 from me. It's complete garbage. I don't like it at all. I have only now 2 products remaining with me. So the first one here is the Glow Revealing Vitamin C Serum Concentrate by Dot & Key. So if you've not seen my Dot & Key review, I'll put it in the description below. You can go and have a look. I actually liked it. It is really good, and this worked out well for me. And this, a lot of people told, has a lot of fragrance, but to me the fragrance is extremely light, so I'm totally okay, and it worked for me. I had a lot of spots on my face here and there because of the time of the month. You get the pimples and stuff like that. So this one is a big yes, but I'm sure there are better products in the market by the Indian brands. You can go ahead and try that as well, but I will surely give this one a 4. It doesn't 4 because it doesn't show results very fast, but it's still a good product. The vitamin C is indeed a good product here. And the last product is again by Dot & Key, the 10% niacinamide. Here you go. This is how it looks. This one is also again Very nice, very less in fragrance for me, but a lot of people say it has a lot of fragrance. Indeed, I love this product. Go ahead and give this product a try. It's a total yes from me. I hope you guys like my video, and please do share, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.